and parents and so it's nice to look forward for the 10 days camp, and today we are just closing the camp. Of course, we are closing the camp not for the simply for the general camp. It is going to be for the future planning, only to understand what kind of caliber we are having over here, and bifurcating the children certain batches, and where we will be having the next level planning to implement to enhance our children's ability. So basing on that, we had a little general idea that how every child is performing, and what are all the strengths they are having, what are all the weak points they are having, and wherever the lacking of objects are there, we definitely now already in this 10 days time we got the clear observation and clarity also. And only one thing where I love to tell every individual, especially for the guardians, your children are really blessed with a very good talent, and all the coaches, whoever till now they have been worked with them, it is a very fantastic. They have been very good in the terms of fundamentals, like their hand is opening properly, their footwork is good, their attitude is good on the court, they are seriously fighting on the court, and even off the court also their behavior, their nature in all aspects. Right now we have a very good raw material in the hand, and it's only how as a coaches and as a parents, how we are going to understand them and then driving them to the next level. If same academy, if it is some other place, then it's going to be little pressure for every parent, because everybody will be more concerned about the education, same as the sport also. When both the struggles will be there, definitely most of the time we'll be looking into the educational side, where every parent will be having that kind of feeling that yes, sport को थोड़ा next level पे look forward कर सकते हैं. Very limited people will be only understanding that even पढ़ाई थोड़ा कम रहने से भी थोड़ा sports को खिलाएंगे बोल के रहता. But that is also pressure. This is also pressure for both the parents. So now that pressure may not be much, because we are starting our academy in the institution where complete education will be taken care by the teaching staff, where like us, how we are going to take care your play ability. Our school teaching staff also will be there. That is going to be one of the biggest instrumental to keep your personalities with both the things to balance, like sport and education, balancing and looking forward for the excellency object. If that thing happens, you people are going to be the example for the society. So that is the opportunity which we are having all as a parents, as a coaches, as admin team, even our teaching staff, our coaching staff. We all got the lovely opportunity to prove ourselves, to work with you people and to show to the society that yes, if everything has been assembled at one place, how we can able to develop the educated sportsmen into the system. So for that, we are now the sir is initiating to look forward positively, and he is trying to give his complete valuable time and efforts, because this is the second time which I came over here, and all the time, maximum time he is spending with badminton object, and he is giving complete his involvement. And this kind of characters very less, and when somebody is performing like this, then as a parents, as a coaches, that is our responsibility, where we will be taking that kind of positively and giving our best efforts, sir. That from our part, like where I am taking seriously, this is one of the dream object for me, because very long time onwards I used to think that both the things should be at same compound wall, so that the child time may not be wasting. Because when early days, when I started at LV Stadium as a coach, because the people used to travel around 10 to 12 kilometers distance, and early morning 5:30, 6 o'clock they used to drive on the scooter and come to the stadium, and again the parent has to go under pressure to go back to the home, and they has to prepare for their office, the child has to prepare for the school. With the hurry object they will eat, again they will go to the school. After working so hard, again it is not the possibility that children can take the in between around 5-6 hours when they are sitting in the class. whether they are taking the proper water loading or not, whether they are taking the proper snacks in between the classes or not. All these things was like very minus. And then again, after finishing the school, all the children will be come back home with the tiredness, and if possible, then there will be a snacks. Then they will come with the complete with hard mind. They will take the kid bag and they will come to the stadium. They will work hard. With complete tiredness, they go back home. If somebody is having the positive intention to study attitude, then they will study. Otherwise, children will go and sleep like that only. That is the area where certain parents will get the pressure also, because on the interest of the sport, this fellow is neglecting the thing. So all this kind of stress factor, whatever the parents used to take that pressure, even children used to take the pressure. I used to think, somewhere we have to cut down this pressure, then we can definitely make the excellency. Because that time also, all these hard conditions, all the children used to carry minimum 80 to 90% of the marks they used to get in the school. And I was quite surprised also, working so hard and again spending extra time with the books and achieving the better than who is attending the regular school children. They are performing better than the children who is attending the regular. They are getting the better than their marks. Even sometimes some of the children, they get the even excellency also. So I always feel that if we could able to give the little more extra time for them in the terms of rest, in the terms of time where they can study extra, where they can really get the proper rest, in the terms of food, after the session down there is a canteen, all the facilities can be arranged over there. In between, they can also have the proper diet planning. If we provide everything, so definitely all these young minds definitely can drive to the next level, and that is the area where your dream will be fulfilling, our dream will be fulfilling. Then the head of the department, the institution on the certain purpose, when he started this institution, definitely there will be a meaningful for every individual. So that is the area where I really thank to Roy sir by giving this kind of opportunity to me, and to continue look into the coaching aspects, sir. And I will be definitely giving my best efforts, and even my team also will be there. And in this 10 days time, Mr. Sanjeev has been given his best ability, and all the children have been enjoyed. Even I was just discussing with him also about the children's commitment and this thing. He has been given the very positive this thing, and that positive communication where last 2 days I was also observing the way they were fighting on the court, the way they were enjoying on the court. There is every level age group, there is a certain kind of objects are there that we will definitely discuss, and we will bifurcate the batches and we will work. Now this camp has been organized like a together. All the children, they work together. For the regular camp, definitely we are going to make the bifurcate, and we will be making the process of full-time planning. And already today morning I spent with the Sir Roy sir, and I took the certain timings, and we will be making the full-time planning where one time will be physical fitness, 2 time will be on-court work, which it is going to be with a limited number with high intensity object, where we will be looking into the professional, full-fledged professional side. And same time in between, you will be going attending your schools also, so that there won't be any kind of something where we'll be missing. Even the parents' point of view also, you can definitely feel very confident and without stress. Because your child, once early morning they get into the school, till evening they will be finishing their education, they will be finishing complete sport activity. Once he comes back home, without any educational pressure, he can enjoy with you people. At least dinner time he can sit and enjoy. Otherwise, even dinner time also, we always get the pressure, homework karna, ye karna, wo karna. That is the area where parents and children will be carrying the pressure. So now all you people can relax, because the total burden has been taken by the educational burden has been taken by the sir. Coaching burden has been going to be taken by me. And rest of the people, only the burden is early morning you will drop them, and evening you will take them. And once they come back, they can definitely, without having any educational pressure, sports pressure, they can enjoy their childhood life with you people without any pressure objects. And I feel like this is going to be one of the best thing, because the city is very small. Traveling time also is not that big time to travel. and which it is going to give us very positive results. I firmly believe, and it is going to really help us and give the good direction to look forward for the great levels. And there is a small children, there was some children doubt was there. Sir, when Sindhu and Saina, when they were working with you, what was their nature and what was their attitude and other aspects? They are none other than like you people only. I feel compared to them, you people are little more better extra talent, because those days the awareness was not that much. But today, people got so much awareness, so much icon players where people can see in the TV. And that is the area where people have been blessed that kind of object. And they also started like you people only. Even the parents also used to brought them like your parents, how they are bringing you people over here. It's only that the commitment as a coach, as a parents, how they have taken the responsibility. That responsibility is the only the thing which has been taken them to the next level. So they used to even Saina's parents, they used to travel around 25 kilometers from the city, and they used to come early morning that Chetak vehicle, and they used to train and go to school. She used to study at central school. Then again she has to go to the school, again finishing the school. Then mummy will be taking the duty. Second evening time, they will catch the auto. Every day they will catch the auto, and they will finish the session. Again they will catch the auto. They will go back home. So that was the almost 3 years down the line she has been gone through. After 2.5 3 years, then they cut down the distance around 15 kilometers. They came around 8 to 10 kilometer distance where Mr. Harveer Singh used to go to the office and stadium. So in between, they were taken out so that they can bifurcate the timing balancingly. So then from that condition to next level again, once he entered in the Indian team, then she's taken the decision to look into the badminton side. Then she used to stay in the stadium, hostel, and care all the things. Then later she has become the enough rich where she can able to purchase the villa behind the academy only. So then now today Saina is one of the biggest legendary, and she is one of the I can say definitely she is the all-time legendary for the Indian badminton, because when no one used to believe, and that is the time where she has been went and broken all the next level players. So that is the area where she is definitely all-time legendary player. And follower is like Sindhu. Again, she is also follower of Saina, because she has been seen Saina's growth right from beginning. Even Saina also observed Sindhu right from very tender age. So once if somebody is achieving, then others automatically will follow. That is the area where in your group also there is a very good talent is there, very good ability is there. If one group is, now suppose like senior boys and girls, there is 3 people are there, followed by next another 8 to 10 people are there. Next batch again 15 to 20 children are there. If everybody, one step by step, people are just doing the things little better, then others automatically will follow. So now at least we have a very good team. That is the area where you people always believe that you got the better ability, but it's only that how we believe ourselves and work towards the goal. And for that, early days there was a stress, now there is no much stress. I hope like parents also will be having the very comfortable to support, because every parent only need my child should play well, my child should study well. If these 2 things happens very positively, even whatever the sacrifice they are ready to do, I think they will be in a position. If I am there in my that position, I also will do the same thing. So now the time is in your hands. How responsibly you are going to utilize the things. Yes, as a young child, whatever the burden is there, we will give that much burden only. Rest of the things we will take care. And people just look forward very positively, and people can definitely, today we are talking 2022, and let's see, maybe after 6 years or 7 years, maybe the legendary names, whatever we are taking, maybe among in yourself, maybe somebody can become the legendary also. But it is a very much possible. I can give you a lot of examples in that particular object. So that is the reason it is a very much possible, and everybody got that caliber. Either the fellow who is around 10 to 12 years. Maybe after 6 years, they might be around 18 to 19 years. I think that is the age where you are not lesser than to anyone to perform. Even somebody who is 14, 15, after 6 years, they will be 20 plus. There is nothing that anything which is going to stop them if they're really honest to develop their skills down the line all the time. So we have the enough time, we have the enough resources, we have the enough team strength, because when we really to work at a big city like Hyderabad, and by seeing a lot of big players in the circle, and even small camps like this, we cannot exactly get this kind of involvement from the parent side, from the children's side, even from the administration side. Over there, a lot of negligency will be there. The reason can be anything, because in Hyderabad today, producing the national champion, it doesn't make any difference. Even producing the international title also, it doesn't make any difference. If I am producing the Olympic medal, that is going to be the talk of the country. If I am producing the world champion, it is going to be the talk of the country. If I am producing the next level results only, then only the talk of the country. If producing the national champion, we don't have that kind of satisfaction or eager, or anyone can really, Arey, Gordon has done the fantastic. No one is going to say now, because we have been crossed to that limits. Now, thinking that limits, it doesn't make any sense for us. But now, we have to keep our targets to the next level. But here, whatever you do, it is going to be history from the district level to state level to national level. Then after that, national level, once you go and break the next level results, that is going to be the next targets for you people. So right now, we are in a very better position, and this kind of facility is going to be in the country, second center I feel. One is Suchitra in Hyderabad, second center is this only, where they are taking the sport very seriously with the educational aspect. There is a one more academy is there at Gaudium International School, at where Gopi is acting as a mentor, but still they don't have that kind of committed system. Yes, they are running the system over there, but there is no committed system which it is going to be looking forward like this kind of object. So this is going to be the second center in the country where I can definitely confidently say, because no other states we are having such kind of facility. Even school people also not exactly looking into that positive. Even parents also not having that kind of facility to really to utilize. So I think this is one of the best facility which Roy sir is going to provide us, and we are all thankful to you, sir. And it is going to be definitely, because I will definitely say thankful, because you are supporting my core feeling, because badminton is our life, and you are really promoting that subject means, then definitely it is going to be very important for us. So maybe I'll just see coming days what best we can able to do for in the terms of growth for you people. We always take the each and every object by communicating with sir. And for today, I will just let me take the stop now. If anyone is there, maybe I'll ask Rai sir to speak about the camp, when we are going to start and how it is going to be. Any further doubts are there? Maybe after that we can just interact with the parents. Any doubts or any clarifications are there, we can definitely. Please sir.
Thank you.